back to Nick Vick Locks. Today we have a Master 532. This is the lock I used to earn my orange belt. It's got some spools in it. Gives decent feedback and makes a lovely sound when it opens. Let's see if we can't let you all hear it. One. And on this one, as soon as you set one, you go into a false set. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. We got a deep false set. 2. Okay, here you go. Yeah. Little ASMR. But it's a fun lock. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I guess like and subscribe, and see you next time.